so I have received a package in the mail from, I believe he's a subscriber, but we actually follow each other on Instagram. He's got a dope F-150, guys. I believe his handle is Project Flamin' Red Hot. I'll leave it obviously below, but he's got an absolutely awesome truck. We've been talking to each other back and forth on Instagram for a little bit, sharing ideas, sharing pictures of our trucks and everything like that, and he sent me a package and asked me to film myself opening it up. So here we go. It's not that heavy. It's not even Christmas yet either. I'm already getting presents. It's not that heavy. Okay, it's a box. All right. You did a really good job of wrapping it, I'll tell you that much. Okay. Okay, it says Seymour Aerosol Products, the inventor of aerosol spray paint. So let's open it up. Okay, it's not spray paint. It's a t-shirt. Oh! Bro, are you kidding me? Oh my, bro, are you kidding me right now? God, thank you. Okay, so here's the front of the shirt. It's a nice olive drab green. It's got a dope Ford symbol. Oh my gosh, wow, look at the back. Does that look familiar? Guys, that is my freaking truck. It's got my Instagram handle down on the bottom. He literally somehow got my picture of my truck screen printed onto the back of this shirt. I'm sorry the light is reflecting off and kind of, hold on, let me do something real quick. I'm literally at a loss for words right now, man. Thank you so much. I'm at a loss for words. This is the coolest thing ever. Guys, I did not ask him to send me this. He literally just said, hey man, what's your address? I want to send you something, and sent me this. I'm just at a complete, utter loss for words. It's my size as well. That's insane. This is the coolest thing ever. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much.